You happy?
Yeah.
Is that your happy dance?
Yeah.
Why? Cause you happy because I got a new truck?
I really like this.
Good.
You better, because you can't get rid of it now. We've already given the man his checks.
I did.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't say to
And
get
then
rid of it.
we went through a lot.
All right, guys. We're currently on the way. I'm with Cam with the Ram over here. Currently on the way to go pick up my new truck. And judging by the thumbnail, you guys will know that it's an L5P. I'm super excited.
Excited doesn't even, man, this man has been smiling ear to ear since I picked him up and we got the check.
Oh yeah, we got there was a complication because I got the check from the person that was buying the truck, and then nothing was wrong with the check, but I thought it would show up on my account right away. But obviously it takes a couple days for it to process and everything. So we're here to pick it up. It's in that bay right there with the Hulk. God, family, country. Newsom Electrical Construction. I know you guys are excited to see it. I'm excited to show you guys. There's a couple of like change of plans. I know I told you guys that I was gonna get a 2017 to 19. Well, I'm not getting that. This is this is, you guys will see. What?
Excuse my language, but that's pretty. And I don't like Fords.
What is it?
That's a Raptor.
It's a Raptor.
Hey.
That's a sick. Hey, he said he would give me a good deal on that too.
Is that the 5.0 Raptor or the 6.4? What do they got in there?
That's the second generation Raptor. I'm pretty sure. That's the one with the
twin
turbo.
turbo.
Yeah.
Never mind.
They're fast though.
Yeah, never mind. No, it's a V6 though.
Yeah, but they're fast.
I'm sorry, I can't do V6s anymore. Had too many of them.
He's got a little Ram with the Hemi and the shifter. That video cracked me up. I tried to convince him buy one Duramax, get a Raptor free, but he said no.
Yeah, I mean that would have been a great deal.
All right.
Take my office keys and send the black truck.
Does that come with the truck? Your office keys? Yeah.
I mean, if you want to take the payment over for that.
All right, standing in front of me is the new Duramax for the channel. Cam, do you think they're ready for this?
To be honest with you, man.
Bruh, I don't think they're ready because I'm not even ready for this.
Hold on. Everybody.
Whew. Oh my God, look at that. That's my truck. I can't believe that's my truck. And it's got 12,000 miles on it. I've never had anything with that low of a mile.
Dude, I'm jealous.
All the trucks I've had over 100,000 miles. So this is pretty much brand new to me.
Dude, this whole thing is just unreal.
Oh, but come with me. We're gonna show you guys. Chris has some really cool toys here, and we just drilled over that Silverado over there.
Yeah, we literally walked through this door, and
dude, look at that beast. Started drilling. But you showed up to dealer options with that one day. I was like, oh my God, look at that beast.
Yeah, I want to get the sound system changed out in it. It's got a decent one in it, man. I just wanted to do it more retro.
Right. Oh, get that exhaust clip. Not to start it.
is that outside or what? Oh, it's right there. Okay.
The mic's gonna get everything.
Bonus of having that LS, that joker crank right up. And the way them boys do the install is real clean.
That's a lot of room for activities.
Man.
Compared to a diesel.
They put a aluminum radiator on it with electric cooling fans. Like I said, did a full MSD ignition. They put a cam in it and all that.
Brand new paint job and everything.
It was painted when I got it. I redid the suspension, engine trans, the radiator and all that, and put the wheels and tires on it.
So, what year is it again?
84.
84. 84 with LS swaps. With the mud graphs.
I think that's what sets it off in a way, man. That chrome and the mud graps.
What is this, like your Sunday truck?
Yeah,
Date night truck?
So, when I was 16, this is what I went. Right. It's like my green truck. So, I've had a couple of them. This is the nice one I've ever had. Usually they got rusted floor pans and all that, but this whole truck's original. Where'd you get it?
Putting him to work now. So what, we swapping over the fuels now?
Yeah.
Putting him to work.
This 2020 L5P is mine. Can you guys believe it? We have an L5P build. This is a brand new truck. To me, this is a big deal to me because, like I said, I've never had any, all my trucks had over 100,000 miles when I bought them. And this is like my first ever like brand new truck, because this has only got 13,000 miles. That is so low to me, and it may not really mean anything to a lot of you guys, but I mean, it means a lot to me. It's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna go surprise my girlfriend with it because she doesn't know I'm buying it today. I told her I had to wait until like next week. If you guys can see this, but on the heads-up display, it actually shows like the speed limit and everything, which is really cool. Can you guys see it? You might not be able to. This truck so far, it rides really good. Basically, it's got a 5-inch rough country lift, cognito arms, 24x12 and 37s. The next video I make is actually going to talk about why he put the rough country lift on his truck instead of doing like a zone or a BDS.
It goes to shit. I want to make sure they have cops coming.
Right. So it looks like they have. So it's a funeral.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. It's a funeral.
All right. Going. Whole bunch of Corvettes. What, a Corvette died or something?
It's a funeral. Yeah, that's a funeral. That's what it is. But I'm not gonna wait for them to pass. I'm sorry. I mean, like, I feel bad for you and your family, brother. But
I got that on film too.
I'm sorry, but I mean, like, I get it. You know, I get that your buddy passed away, and
Let's see what my girlfriend thinks. She's gonna like it. I've shown her pictures. I've shown her pictures of the truck and she really likes it, but seeing this in person is a different story. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
And I haven't ridden in it yet. He promised.
Yeah,
and I
he
still
did.
haven't ridden in it. So I need you to get into the truck so I can ride in it. Well, can I have your permission then?
You like it?
Say yes, or I'm gonna push her off this cliff. I can't.
You like it? You want to get in it real quick, or do you have to work? You happy?
Yeah.
Is that your happy dance?
Yeah.
Why? Cause you happy because I got a new truck?
And
Come here. Even better. Even better.
Are you gonna show her the steps?
Oh yeah, the steps. Yeah, we got those, and we got more
show her
wheels too.
the tailgate steps. You don't have to do that.
Yeah, you do.
No, you don't.
You have to do it in sequence.
Ooh, you have the elevator.
I have the elevator.
You have
We're
elevator.
gonna put speakers here. We're gonna do lights.
We're gonna jam.
We're gonna have this thing lit, literally. Hey, look, vote for David.
So what you think?
I really like this.
Good.
You better, because you can't get rid of it now. We've already given the man his checks.
I did.
Yeah, well, I wouldn't say to
And
get
then
rid of it.
we
There's my 2020 Duramax, which means
You think it's really worth that?
what?
It's for me to walk all the way out in the rain.
Hell yeah, you owe me $50 because I sold my Denali before the end of this month. Sure, because I'm gonna get one next month.
You think so?
I'm gonna get one next month as soon as my Denali sells.
Hold on, I bet you this. If you don't sell it next month, we'll do like a $50 bet. If you don't sell it by the end of next month, December 31st, if it's not sold.
My Denali?
Yeah.
Well, I can't really help who buys it.
Doesn't matter. You said you'll have it sold by next month. $50, man. I bet you $50.
All right,
Shake on it. $50, y'all.
$50
If he doesn't have that truck sold by December 31st,
by the end of 2020.
by the end of 2020,
All right,
December 31st, as soon as it clocks over.
and it's all because of this freaking truck
So that means
I
y'all
want
buy
to
the
sell.
truck so this man can make $50.
Heck yeah. So
Open your hand out.
that's a 20.
One. Should give you all my. Well, no, those are all my stripper ones. I gotta keep.
Yeah,
Let's see here.
that's 30. That is $50.
I'm just glad that you sold the truck, but I'm still pissed that you made that $50.
There you go.
A bet's a bet, though. A bet's a bet.
Bet's a bet. So, yeah, there's my 2020 Duramax. What I'm gonna do is, well, obviously the rain is crap, so I was gonna do some B-rolls and do a cinematic shot, but we're just gonna have to wait until the weather is better. So keep on the lookout for the next video. I'll do a full walk around of my brand new 2020 Duramax build on the channel. There's a lot of stuff already done to it, but that doesn't mean anything if you know me. I hope it's snowing wherever you guys are and not this rain. 2020 Duramax. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be shocked. I'm honestly shocked myself. I did not think I would be buying a 2020 just because of I didn't want to pay that much. I was ready to buy a 17 to 19 L5P, but I also had a budget. And when I started shopping for those trucks, the market is so high right now. The market is way higher now than it was 6 months ago. So people are selling the newer Duramaxes for about $5,000 to $10,000 more than what they were worth 6 months ago, 6 months to a year ago. When I started looking, all the L5Ps that I liked were 18 to 19, and they had about 50,000 plus miles on it, and they wanted a lot for those trucks. I was looking at pretty much paying what I would pay for a brand new truck. When I came across that Duramax, which is owned by Chris, there's this funny story behind it too, because when he bought that truck brand new about a year ago, I joked around with him and said, I will buy that truck from you whenever you get sick of it or whenever you're done with it. And I just happened to buy it, which is really funny. I said that a year ago to him just jokingly, and I have one now, which is, I think it's kind of funny. He gave me a really good deal on that truck. Basically, what I paid for this truck is what I would have paid for a 17 to 19 L5P with over 50,000 miles in this area, because the market is super high. Didn't really see myself spending that much for a previous generation body style, which I still love, but like I said, I really just could not pass that up. Oddly enough, I didn't want another black truck. You guys already know I was looking at buying a silver or a metallic color, or even a blue one. I was entertaining the idea of getting a blue L5P because I thought it'd be kind of cool having blue and red truck, and possibly getting a white one in the future and have a very patriotic theme. But I got to talking with Chris, and we agreed on a number, and I was like, you know what, I can't pass that up. And all the work that's done to that truck right now, which you guys already know that it's not going to stay like that at all, but the fact that it's got a Retrax bed cover, the biggest part for me was that it's ceramic coated. So ceramic coat was a big plus. Retrax bed cover, and it's already got a lift, wheels and tires. I plan on doing a 12-inch lift and 40s. That's just going to keep me satisfied for now. It does have a rough country lift. Whenever I do a full reveal video, or whenever I do a full walk around video, I'll tell you guys exactly why that $80,000 truck has the cheapest lift kit you can buy, but there's a perfectly good explanation for it, so stay tuned for the next upload. So yeah, that's basically why we ended up with the 2020 Duramax. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am, because even though I wanted the previous generation body style, I am so excited with the fact that I got a brand new truck. 12,000 miles or 13,000 miles, that is so low to me, and I hope you guys are just as excited. Only thing is, I did have a budget, and that budget I was looking for like a 17 to 19 L5P, in which I did go over a little bit over my budget to buy that truck. And so I planned on deleting, the original plan was if I bought an L5P, I was gonna tune and delete it right away. However, I did go over the budget just a little bit, so I do need your help, and it's not gonna cost you anything. All I'm asking is give this video a thumbs up. Let's get this video to maybe 10,000 likes. So every single one of you watching this video, give this video a thumbs up. And all you have to do is share this video with your fellow L5P owners, and hopefully they can join the journey. If they're interested in like tuning and deleting their L5P, make sure you share this video with them, because it might be entertaining for them or it might be informative. All I'm asking is like this video. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes, and share it with your L5P friends. Get this video to your fellow L5P owners. As soon as this video gets 10,000 likes, we're gonna do weight loss on that truck, so it's gonna be fully tuned and deleted. Even though it's still under 100% warranty, I'm gonna just not even worry about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are just as excited. Stay tuned for the next video, because we're going to do a full walk around of it. But get this video to 10,000 likes, and please share this video and leave a comment below on what you guys think of my new truck. But thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.